Please listen to the following instructions. 1/3 of the human population has recently fallen. Caused by a new form of lucid dreaming which puts its victim into a deep sleep, unable to awake, and dying of unknown cause. Using a dreaming recording device that employs functional magnetic resonance imaging to measure brain activity, we have found that like lucid dreams, the victim has full control, but even with control, the victim cannot awake. Further research has shown the victim enters stages of dreaming. Stage 1 is regular lucid dreaming. The user has full control of their own dream, but thinking of something you may fear or looking into a reflectable surface, may send you to an entirely different plane of dreaming, the second stage. Similar to the first, you still have control, but it is darker, grimmer than the first. This is the part of your brain that stores your fears. It is still possible to awake, but the chances are very slim. Which brings us to the final stage, the entrance to full deep sleep, stage 3. We know very little about stage 3, unlike the stages 1 and 2, nobody has awakened from stage 3. We still haven't determined what causes victims to fall into this lucid dreaming, but it is very common. We will now provide instructions to prolong your chance at waking up when you enter lucid dreaming. Step 1. When you enter lucid dreaming, it is important to realize that you are dreaming. The sooner you realize you're dreaming, the closer you are to waking up. Step 2. Avoid thinking any thoughts that may invoke fear. Fear is the leading factor that leads victims to stage 2 of lucid dreaming. It is important to focus on thinking about waking up. Finally, it is important to minimize your sleep. It is recommended that you sleep a maximum of 4 hours every day. This will greatly reduce your chance of lucid dreaming.